Hey there, fellow gamers. My name is Zach, and welcome to Let's Play White Noise Online. Now, I'm not going to be playing this game online. That's just what it's called. The original was just called White Noise, but that one was only one level, and the developers kind of just botched that idea. Just went with online, and added a lot more content on there. I'm going to be trying something different, so I'm sorry if the audio seems off. Like I said, I'm trying something different, but hopefully it won't cause too many problems. And as you guys can see, this is on the 360, the Xbox 360, and I have not touched this console, let alone turned it on in at least like half a year. So I just figured, why not turn it on, see if there's anything worthy of trying to record that I haven't played in forever. And as I was scrolling along, I found this game. I thought it would be perfect. In case you guys don't know what white noise is, it's undoubtedly a Slender clone, but to be honest, it's one of the best ones I've seen on a console. Besides, like the Slender, the rival, but that was officially made by the creator himself of that infamous game. This one was just made by like a bunch of indie people, and they implemented online, which is really well done too. So I think they're the first ones to implement like a Slender game online. I don't know if they made any others. Well, they made. No, I lied. That's a lie. They have Slendy Tubbies, but that's not kind of the same thing. This one's co-op, while Slendy Tubbies is more. One of them's the Slender Tubby, and one of them's the person has to collect the custards. And I've been rambling on for a long time now. So without further ado, let's just get into the game. Now, like I said, I have not touched this game in forever. So I'm probably going to suck a lot. And in the original, this was the only level that was available until they made online, which added like all this crap. So, you know what, let me just do random. Alright, which guy did I like? There was one person I liked. I almost have everyone, wow. Well, I don't remember how to get these people. I think it's just beat it or something. But who did I like? Was it you? Flashlight evasion. Okay, who do I want to be? Okay, so you get a bit of speed and a bit more stamina, but your sanity goes down a little bit faster. So, you know what? Let's do this guy. I'm hoping that this is recording just fine. I really do. If not, I'll just have to record it again because I know what went wrong. But as you guys can see, this is like a full-on Slender clone. You just have to go find the tapes. You know, you can turn your flashlight on or off, although I don't really know why you'd want it off. And good for you. I don't really care that you want to go play Halo 4 with people. Okay, so you can hear the tapes by like, like some sort of static noise that comes from them. Okay, I can't remember what level. Is this the original level? I don't remember. Wow, this place is huge. But yeah, I gotta say though, for like a clone on a console, this is really well made. It does kind of look like it was made on the Unity engine, just ported over to the 360, but I could be wrong. I'm not fully sure. Oh yeah, this is the original level. The first level that was ever made for this game. Okay, come on, tape. I need one of you. Preferably all 7, but you know. Can't remember. Was there 7? It might be 6 or 8. I don't remember. I really don't. And why haven't I found a tape yet? Jeez. Usually there's a tape in like one of these landmarks, but guess that's wrong. Okay, I can't run for too long because I'll run out of breath and then I can't run. You know, as in like all Slender games. I know that the big guy shouldn't come out until you collect at least one, but just in case. Okay, now that's water. Can't go that way. Are you serious? I can't even find one? This is fun. I really don't know where I'm supposed to be going here. I don't remember this layout whatsoever. Okay, I remember you guys, your little tongue monkey, whatever those things are. Oh, I hear one. I don't know where it is though. Oh, getting closer. Oh, are you on this one somewhere? Oh, you are loud. Oh, there you are. Yeah, I don't know if you're actually supposed to be able to understand him, or it's just gibberish. Because that's really hard to tell when whatever it's supposed to be. Now, there is some sort of story behind this, but... And I think the tapes were supposed to... Oh, gosh. Okay, so he's over there somewhere. I have no idea where, though. Okay, so he's already poking his head out to play. And no, it's not Slender. It's not that exact a clone. It's something that's rather weird looking. And I don't want to have to hope to meet him this early. But if I do, then, you know, so be it. Okay, so I found one. Is that about all I'm going to find? Just one before I die? Okay, so crossing over. Yeah, to my surprise, this game's only like I think a buck or two, and I find it really worth it if you have like if you have a 360 and you want like a good horror Slender kind of game. This one's very worth it. The guys put a lot of effort into this, I can tell. Okay, I feel like I should be coming up on some landmarks. Oh, I hear him out there. Okay, there you are. Hi. Okay. Going this way, don't mind me. You still there? Nope, you're gone. Okay. Yeah, you guys saw... Hope you guys saw a glimpse of... Oh, there he is. Okay. Not going that way. Just, don't mind me as I, you know... You still there? No. But haha. Were you helping me and showing me where a tape was? Yes. Yes, you were. Oh, he is not happy out there. Okay, there's two. Okay, okay. Another thing, too, is that green totem pole thing. I don't know what the origin of that thing is or what it is, but all I know is that it's death. If you go near it, you will die. If you look at it too long, you will die. Basically, that's the pole of death. And you don't want to be anywhere near that thing. Oh, he is out there and he is pissed. I hear him. Oh, there you are. Speak of the devil. So, not going that way. Ah, crap. Where'd the road go? Oh. Okay, there's the... kind of the landmark tracker. Oh, you are okay, hi. I'm just gonna go back the way I came, if you don't mind. Yeah, the thing is, too, is that if I remember right, after a certain time where, like, you can't find them all, your flashlight starts dying. And I can't remember if you just need to let it recharge or that's just how it is. But your flashlight will die. Like, then I'm doing it on purpose, but it will die on its own. I do remember that. Okay, don't know where you are. But you're not happy wherever. Is that you? Nope, there you are. Okay. Not going that way then. Still there? No, you're not. Yes, you are. Never mind. That way you go bad. Oh, jeez, you are pissed. Yeah, the sensitivity is kind of low, which kind of doesn't help. I can't remember if you can change that or not. Oh, do I hear one in here? Or is that just my death? Okay, don't know what that noise was. Okay, hi. Okay, so there was a tape there, but he's not letting me get to it. Oh, come on, where are you? Okay, see you there. God, where is it? Oh, there it is. I heard O word in there. I heard die. That's about all I could muster out of that, though. Okay, so don't want to go that way. Oh gosh, my flashlight's already starting to die out on me. You guys see it's starting to flicker. Oh, there's one. That was nice and short. Okay, give me that. Something about a familiar place? I do think he's trying to... I do think he's saying something, but it's hard to distinguish what. Okay, so here's like where I started. Hi. Not going that way. Wait, did you just change location? Nope, 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 nope. You're still over there. Okay, so there's the statue of that lady. There wasn't a tape or anything here. You still back there? Yes, you're still back there. Okay. Oh, my flashlights are going. Nope, still there. Okay, you are coming up really close. Okay. I don't like... Okay, hi. I think in a way this is kind of cheating, but kind of hoping I'll be able to find all the tapes for you guys to show you the ending, because there is one. Okay, so is there anything over here? Jeez, did they add new sound effects, or do I just not remember any of these? Some of these sounds sound new to me, but I didn't see an update file. Now here's here's like some sort of gallows thing. Is there a tape on you somewhere? Okay, you are close. You are really close, buddy. How about you back off? Yeah, you stay over there. You know, away from me. Ah, crap, where'd he go? Okay, hi. Going this way. Cause when I think he does that growl thing, that means he's on the move. Oh god, I don't know where to go. Completely forgot the layouts of these places. Okay, he is pissed. Okay, hi. You are like right, but okay. Not going that way then. That way you go death. I couldn't tell if there was one of these trees or something. Okay, that sounded really close. Where are you at? Okay, hi. Whew. I mean, it's cool too how they implemented like the controller vibrating. That's a nice feature. You don't really, I didn't normally see that feature in like the indie games. Okay, hi, you are like right there. No idea where I'm going. I am probably going to die. Because he is pissed. I don't know what that thing is. Okay, here's another dead end. Oh, crap. Oh, nope, not going that way. Please tell me there's a way I can cross over soon. Oh, I see one. Okay, you are close. Please tell me I can go this way. Oh, I can't. Oh, boy. Let me go around. Oh, nope, nope, not going that way. Okay. A boot. Aha. Nope. Okay, you're there. Where are we supposed to go? Where I probably need to go, he's blocking. Oh, he's not anymore. I will take this chance. Even though it'll probably mean my death. Okay, where you at? Oh, geez, where are you at? Okay. At least they make him nice and visible when he's near you. That's one good thing. Okay, so I haven't been over here yet, so hopefully there's something over here. Okay, you're behind that pole, just chilling. Okay, what was that? Oh, crap. Where are you? Ah, god damn it, there's a tape in there. I know there's a tape in there. I hear it. Oh, you douche. Go away. Oh, nope, I see it. Gimme, gimme. Okay, he's probably uber pissed right now. Where you at, bro? Where you at? You are there. Okay. Don't like, okay. You're just shifting without me. Okay. He's getting his game face on. Okay, he's creeping up on me. Oh, god damn it, there's one here somewhere. Oh, I see it. Okay. Things just shifted. Okay. He is not happy. He's not happy. Getting closer to getting to the end of this. He is not happy. Nope. You still back there? Okay, hi. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta go. You still back there? Yep. You are right there. Okay, don't know where I'm supposed to go now. Oh boy. Still back there? Yes, you're still back there. Come on, give me a landmark. Something. Oh, path. Maybe. Good. Okay, okay. Okay, hi. What the crap was that? That was bull crap. Like instant teleported. Okay, you're still back there. He's probably blocking the way I need to go. Oh crap, where are you? God damn it! Wherever I plan to go, he's there. Okay, you're not there anymore. Okay, you're back there. Cool beans. So I'm just gonna... Okay, that's really close. Okay, screaming... Me screaming is bad. Because that means that he's on my ass now. That means he was stranger danger close. Oh man, my flashlight's starting to not really do so well now. God damn it, I don't know where I'm supposed to go. Okay, you're still back there. Okay, there's the pole of death. Oh god damn it. Oh, where's he at? Okay, he's right there. Oh god. Oh, my sanity is dropping like a rock. God, I could barely stare at him for like a second. Man, I can't really see crap anymore. Oh, I know you want to kill me. Okay, that's bad too. Oh god. I'm gonna die. I'm sorry I'm not gonna be able to beat this. But he's on my butt. I don't remember. Okay, there's the death pole. Don't go that way. Okay, you're still back there. Oh man. This place is too huge. Okay, you're still back there. Oh, I'm completely lost. I am oh, there's a rock. Okay, you're still back there. Oh crap, where is he? Okay, you're right there. Oh boy. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna die. This is it for me. I have no idea where I am. He keeps getting way too close to me. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. There's just no way in hell this one's happening. I'm completely lost. I don't know where I'm supposed to go. My sanity just keeps dropping like a freaking rock. God damn it. Where am I supposed to go? Okay, you are really close. Okay, here's the houses again, but I already got the ones at the houses. Okay, you're in that building. Okay, you're kind of backed up. Okay. Yeah, I have no idea where I'm supposed to be going. So I might as well, sorry to say, is accept death. Because I don't know where I am. I don't know where else this game wants me to go. I don't see any different landmarks. I feel like I'm just prolonging the inevitable. You're rocks, are you something? Are you different? No, you're a statue that can give me anything. God damn it. Nope. Yeah, that was coming. Dear gosh, that took a long time. In memory of me, I died. But I got a good workout, though. I streamed 4 times, like a boss. You know, what's cool here is that it tells you, like, it tracks where you went, which is awesome. So like, I can see, like, where I didn't even bother trying to check, which was like that top left corner. Okay, so I found one there, got a scare there. Kept going on, found another scare, got a tape, got another scare. Another one. Wait, no, does that mean I was in the vicinity of one? Okay, no, I got the top left corner. Okay, I was starting to... There had to have been one in that top right corner that I did not even think to go to. Man, I really hugged that area. Nope, there's the screams. There's the screams. Nope, back in that area. And there's my death. So yeah, there was a lot of places. There was a good amount of places I did not even bother to look, but it's hard to tell because there's like no landmarks or anything to tell you where you are. Alright, so that was White Noise. If you guys want me to take another attempt at this and play a different level for you guys, let me know in the comments below. And if you guys enjoyed that as well, please leave a like, it means a lot. And I'm going to keep combing through my 360, see if there's anything I still have on here that's worth playing for you guys. Because, like I said, I have not touched this thing in at least half a year. Whew. Alright, so with all that said, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Later, guys.